Every day, billions of eggs begin their journey on poultry farms spread across the world. What appears to be a simple breakfast item is actually the result of a highly organized industrial system. Modern egg production combines agriculture, animal care, automation, logistics, and food safety into a single continuous operation. Before an egg reaches a supermarket shelf, it passes through numerous carefully controlled stages. The process starts with healthy laying hens raised in specialized environments designed for comfort and efficiency. Farmers monitor feed, water, temperature, ventilation, and lighting around the clock. Advanced technologies help ensure that production remains consistent every day of the year. Large commercial farms can collect hundreds of thousands of eggs daily from a single facility. Behind every egg lies an enormous network of workers, machines, and quality standards. This is the complete journey of an egg from farm to consumer. The journey begins inside modern poultry houses built specifically for egg-laying hens. These facilities are engineered to maintain stable environmental conditions throughout the year. Automated ventilation systems continuously circulate fresh air while removing excess heat and moisture. Carefully controlled lighting schedules help maintain natural laying cycles and improve productivity. Rows of feeding and watering systems stretch throughout the building, ensuring every hen has access to essential resources. Workers regularly inspect equipment and monitor flock conditions throughout the day. Sensors collect real-time data on temperature, humidity, and air quality. Strict biosecurity measures help prevent disease and protect the health of the birds. Entry points are controlled and sanitized to minimize contamination risks. Every detail inside the poultry house is designed to support efficient and safe egg production. Nutrition plays one of the most important roles in the egg production process. Hens require carefully balanced diets containing proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, and essential nutrients. Feed formulations are developed to support bird health while maintaining strong eggshell quality. Large storage silos hold massive quantities of feed ingredients delivered from suppliers. Automated auger systems transport feed through pipes and distribution lines across the poultry house. Multiple feeding cycles occur throughout the day to ensure consistent nutrition. Water systems are equally important and are continuously monitored for cleanliness and flow rates. Farm managers adjust feed programs based on the age and performance of the flock. Nutrition specialists regularly analyze feed quality and ingredient composition. The quality of an egg often begins with the quality of a hen's diet. Maintaining flock health requires constant observation and preventive care. Farm workers walk through poultry houses daily to monitor bird behavior and overall condition. Veterinary teams conduct regular health assessments and vaccination programs when necessary. Digital monitoring systems help identify unusual changes in activity, feed consumption, or production rates. Early detection allows potential issues to be addressed before they affect the entire flock. Strict sanitation procedures are followed throughout the facility to maintain hygiene standards. Equipment and work areas are cleaned according to detailed schedules. Visitors and vehicles entering the farm must follow biosecurity protocols. Environmental controls help reduce stress and support animal welfare. Healthy hens are the foundation of a successful egg production operation. When a hen is ready to lay an egg, she naturally moves toward a designated nesting area. Modern nesting systems provide a clean and protected environment for egg laying. These nesting compartments are designed to reduce stress and encourage natural behavior. Shortly after an egg is laid, gravity and specially designed surfaces guide it away from the nesting area. This immediate movement helps protect the egg from damage and contamination. Soft materials and controlled movement reduce the risk of cracks during collection. Thousands of hens may lay eggs throughout the day, according to natural biological cycles. Each egg begins its journey within seconds of being laid. Automation ensures that collection starts almost immediately. This first stage is critical for preserving quality and freshness. Once eggs leave the nesting area, automated collection systems take over. Conveyor belts located beneath the nesting compartments gently transport eggs through the poultry house. These systems are carefully engineered to minimize vibration and impact during movement. Eggs from multiple sections gradually merge into larger collection lines. Workers monitor the flow and inspect equipment to ensure smooth operation. Damaged or abnormal eggs can often be identified during these early stages. Collection belts trucks carry thousands of eggs every hour towards centralized gathering stations. From there, eggs are organized into transport trays and preparation systems. What appears to be a simple conveyor network is actually a highly coordinated logistical operation. The next stage will move these eggs from the farm toward large-scale processing facilities. After collection, eggs arrive at centralized gathering stations where the first level of quality inspection begins. Workers and automated systems examine the eggs for visible cracks, severe shell defects, and contamination. Eggs that do not meet basic standards are separated from the main production stream. The remaining eggs are carefully placed into large transport trays designed to protect them during handling. Automated stacking systems organize these trays into rolling racks for efficient movement. Every rack is labeled and tracked to maintain production records and traceability. Digital systems record collection times, flock information, and shipment details. Accuracy at this stage is essential because every egg must remain identifiable throughout the process. Once inspection is complete, the racks are prepared for transport. The journey now moves beyond the poultry house and toward the processing facility. Temperature-controlled transport vehicles play a vital role in maintaining egg quality during transit. Large racks of eggs are carefully loaded into specialized trucks equipped with monitoring systems. Drivers and logistics teams follow strict schedules to ensure timely delivery. Throughout the journey, environmental conditions are continuously tracked to protect product integrity. Modern transportation networks allow eggs from multiple farms to reach processing facilities efficiently. GPS systems provide real-time tracking and shipment visibility. Every movement is documented to support food safety requirements and supply chain management. The transportation stage may appear simple, but it serves as a critical link between production and processing. Any delays or handling errors can affect efficiency downstream. Within hours, the trucks arrive at the next major phase of the operation. As transport vehicles approach the processing facility, a completely different industrial environment comes into view. Massive receiving areas are designed to handle thousands of trays of eggs each day. Trucks enter designated unloading zones where workers and automated equipment begin receiving operations. Incoming shipments are verified against digital records before unloading begins. Facility personnel inspect transportation conditions and review shipment data. Specialized forklifts move loaded racks from vehicles into receiving areas. Every batch is logged into the plant management system for traceability. The facility operates with strict hygiene standards to prevent contamination. Workers wear protective clothing and follow sanitation procedures throughout the site. The industrial processing journey officially begins once the eggs enter the factory. The first major processing stage focuses on cleaning and sanitization. Although eggs naturally possess protective shells, surface cleanliness remains essential for commercial distribution. Automated washing systems move eggs through carefully controlled cleaning lines. Warm water, approved cleaning agents, and rotating brushes remove dirt and surface contaminants. Water temperature and chemical concentrations are continuously monitored to meet food safety standards. Advanced filtration systems help maintain cleaning efficiency throughout the operation. Sensors track performance and alert operators to any deviations. Every egg passes through the same controlled cleaning process to ensure consistency. The objective is not only cleanliness, but also preparation for accurate inspection. Once washed, the eggs continue toward one of the most important quality control stages in the facility. Following cleaning, eggs undergo a process known as candling, which allows inspectors and automated systems to examine their internal condition. Powerful lights illuminate each egg as it moves rapidly through the inspection line. Cameras and sensors analyze shell integrity, air cell size, and internal characteristics. This technology can identify cracks that may not be visible from the outside. It can also detect abnormalities that could affect quality or safety. Modern inspection systems process thousands of eggs every hour with remarkable accuracy. Data collected during inspection helps maintain production standards and traceability records. Eggs that fail inspection are automatically removed from the line. Only products meeting established requirements continue forward. This stage ensures that quality is evaluated both inside and outside the shell. Once inspection is complete, the eggs enter automated grading and classification systems. High-speed equipment weighs every egg individually and assigns it to specific categories. Different markets and customers require different sizes, making precise grading essential. Advanced sensors and computer-controlled sorting sorting mechanisms direct eggs toward designated processing lanes. Large facilities can classify tens of thousands of eggs every hour with minimal human intervention. Accuracy is critical because packaging and distribution plans depend on these classifications. Digital systems continuously verify performance and monitor sorting efficiency. Workers oversee operations and respond to any equipment issues that arise. By the end of this stage, every approved egg has been inspected, graded, and organized according to its specifications. The next phase will focus on advanced automation, packaging preparation, and final quality assurance. Once classification is complete, the eggs enter the packaging preparation stage. Different customers require different packaging formats, ranging from small retail cartons to large food service trays. Automated equipment organizes eggs according to size, grade, and destination requirements. Packaging materials arrive continuously from nearby supply systems and are fed directly into production lines. Robotic mechanisms carefully place eggs into cartons while minimizing movement and impact. Every package is checked for completeness and proper positioning before sealing. Labels containing production information, batch numbers, and traceability codes are automatically applied. These details allow products to be tracked throughout the supply chain if necessary. The packaging process combines speed with careful handling to protect product quality. By the end of this stage, individual eggs have been transformed into consumer-ready products. Before products can leave the facility, additional quality control procedures are performed to verify compliance with food safety standards. Samples are regularly collected from production lines and transferred to laboratory testing areas. Technicians examine shell quality, cleanliness, structural integrity, and other key characteristics. Laboratory equipment may also analyze environmental samples and sanitation performance throughout the facility. Data collected from testing programs helps identify trends and maintain operational consistency. Quality assurance teams compare results against established standards and regulatory requirements. Documentation is carefully maintained to support audits and traceability programs. Continuous monitoring ensures that potential issues can be identified quickly. These testing procedures represent an important final safeguard before products enter the marketplace. Quality verification remains one of the most critical responsibilities within the entire operation. After passing inspection and testing, packaged eggs are transferred into climate-controlled storage areas. These large warehouse sections are designed to maintain stable conditions while products await distribution. Pallets are organized according to production dates, customer orders, and shipping schedules. Automated inventory management systems track product locations throughout the warehouse. Forklifts and material handling equipment move pallets efficiently between storage and loading areas. Temperature monitoring systems operate continuously to help preserve freshness and quality. Workers conduct routine checks to verify inventory accuracy and storage conditions. Distribution planning teams coordinate shipments based on demand forecasts and customer requirements. The warehouse functions as a critical connection point between production and retail supply chains. Every movement is carefully managed to ensure products reach customers in optimal condition. The distribution network extends far beyond the factory walls. Each day, trucks carrying thousands of cartons leave the facility and travel towards supermarkets, wholesalers, restaurants, bakeries, and food manufacturers. Logistics teams coordinate routes, schedules, and delivery priorities to maximize efficiency. Advanced tracking systems provide visibility throughout the transportation process. Retailers depend on consistent deliveries to keep shelves stocked and meet consumer demand. Large-scale egg distribution requires close coordination between producers, processors, transport companies, and retailers. Every shipment represents the combined efforts of farming, processing, packaging, and logistics operations. What began as a freshly laid egg on a poultry farm has now become part of a complex global food supply system. The success of this network depends on reliability at every stage. Millions of consumers rely on these systems every single day. From modern poultry houses to advanced processing facilities, the journey of an egg involves far more technology and coordination than most people realize. What appears to be a simple everyday food is actually the result of one of the most efficient supply chains in modern agriculture. This is how modern egg processing plants transform freshly laid eggs into products ready for consumers around the world.